Ha ha ha. Hi. This is not what I'd planned. Originally, this week's video was supposed to be on the new Demon Slayer game, which I'm very excited about. I'm gonna be recording some of that soon. I played Dead by Daylight with my friend Leo. His Twitch is in the description below. If you want to check it out, you should. I was playing Dead by Daylight. Some funny stuff happened, and I got a clip that was like an hour long. So I was like, hey, why not? So yeah, you're about to see just bits and pieces of all the glorious funny moments. Enjoy!
I had the Prestige Mag again.
Why?
Not Mag, Fangman.
Why?
Because I got dead hard in self-care for her. But I couldn't get them because I was already too far into the skill check. Get Cookie Run.
What is the name of your stream? Convincing Scott to get Cookie Run while playing Dead by Daylight?
No, you know I have 11 hours on that game.
Why?
Because it's so fun. Well, technically 11 hours and 49 minutes, so 12.
This is not what people came here for, Leo. Are you
Shut up
cat
and
twitching?
do it. What?
Ah.
Hey, oh, why is it this map?
Ah, Leo, we're gonna go against someone annoying now.
I know. It's gonna be great.
Why do I have resilience on this? Who did I think I was, thinking I could do
Oh
something?
my god.
Preview.
It's the guy that shoots the harpoon thingy.
Why are
Is
people
he
playing
after
him
me
so
specifically?
much?
Oh god, that was so loud on my headset. That actually scared me so bad. Hey, come here, come here.
Oh, I found a fiery totem. Let's go!
He's gonna shoot me.
Nip, 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 nip.
Watch that be Noed. That would have been so funny.
I know, right? I hope it was. I hope it was. You two want to help?
See, Scott, that is how you
Hello
take
there.
care of a killer.
Oh my god, these two are idiots! They led him right to me. They're rude. So that thing I got. Nice!
Alright.
Oh, hey, Leo. No, he's not following me, don't worry. At least I hope he's not.
Oh, he's
Nice.
getting after the other person. Oh, you idiot!
No second hook today, my friend.
Ah,
Oh, god damn it, Leo. You were supposed to hold him for longer than that. I expected more out of
I
you.
did. I did what I could, but he hooked me, and for some reason that goes over pallets.
Now, we're gonna run back this way. We're gonna get you.
Nope.
Woo!
Get ready.
We hide in smoky room. No one finds anyone in the smoky room. Let's follow him.
We can find Hatch. I have a key. He's right behind you. He's right behind you. Shit, I got stuck.
He's after you.
Ah. That's the basement.
Wanna borrow one?
I'm not sure. I want to see if I can find one that I want, because I want a specific one.
Hey, no
I
one
wanna
cares
see if I
about
can
what
find
you
a
want.
happy one.
I got out of there.
Nope.
This trapper is not very good. He was about to get on this Bill and I, and just left us.
He's headed there.
No, he's walking away. Jenny's about to pop.
I think he's new. I kind of feel bad.
I don't. Oh.
Something over your head.
Hi! Would you?
Did he not see you?
Hey! I was talking!
That thing, see? Do you see it? Or am I...
Would you?
He didn't even see you!
Ah, my stealthy plays. Because I'm normally ah.
Shut up. You're making me
Impulsive.
nauseous. You're making me nauseous.
This map makes me nauseous.
Why can't I do the gen?
Was that good?
This bitch almost killed me.
Or bad? Who is it?
It's Demigorgon.
Ew. No.
You just swung at the wrong person.
No, no one likes No one likes Demi Bourbon. Demi Bourbon. If I hear that damn screech again, I'm gonna swing hands.
I'm stuck. I'm not stuck.
You would have been proud of me yesterday. I went in a clown
I have
theme.
wasted like 10 different pallets.
I just saw you. I conquered my fear of clowns. I went into a haunted house themed around clowns yesterday. You should be proud of me. Oh shit. Why are you coming this way?
Hi. Alright,
Let's
go.
run now.
Hello there.
And I'm trapped. And I'm trapped. Thank you, Leo.
I didn't do anything.
You wouldn't move. We would have been fine. We
Dude,
could have gotten
I'm
away.
gone.
Yeah, but I got hit because you just stood there. Run, 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 run. Wait, no, not that way.
Right here.
Oh, no! Where is he?
He's not up there. Get the other one, get the other one, get the other one first.
Sorry.
He's coming, he's coming.
Yeah, nope, I'm not dealing with that today.
Go, 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 go! Me? Where are you?
I got the person off the hook. I hid downstairs in the basement.
You're in the basement?
No, I'm out of the basement now. I got the Claudette off the hook.
Oh.
Because I'm good at the game like that. Expert gamer move. Although I'm pretty sure he's gonna like do things I can't say on street. Oh, okay, cool. For the love of all things, Leo.
Shut up. I can't do anything about it.
Yeah, I wonder where all the pallets went.
Literally.
My voice is like 10 different palettes.
Actually, I forgot that was me.
Literally.
Please no.
Oh my god, that was perfect. I wonder where all the pallets went. Literally. You're not in the basement again, are you? I don't want to survive anymore. I bow. Oh. My turn. Put me on the hook, savior. So... Democrat looks so stupid up close.
I know.
I'm in a fret, I think. I don't know. Where are we going, pal of mine? Where are we going? Oh, he has such big, meaty footsteps. Good lord. Oh, I see. Did I? Oh! Yay! Woohoo! I got out!
Congrats, Scott.
I made a friend! Woohoo! Hey, we're playing outside today. God. It's a shooty guy. Oh! Speaking of you, Leo. Hi!
I wasn't even paying attention.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, you're almost there, laddie. Oh, you're almost there. Give it another shot. Go ahead. Go ahead. Make my day. Make my day. Oh, oh, almost. Almost. You almost got it. Almost. You almost got it. Woo! Easy there, cowboy. Easy there, cowboy. Easy. Now don't get your hopes up. You're not there yet. Almost. You got it. Nah, come on. Come on. Tempt fate. Tempt fate. Oh, almost. Come on. Come on. Come on. I made him give up. I'm so good at the game. Wait, I need to clip that. Hold on. I need to clip that. Hold on.